Don't forget to check out the new song.
Hey everyone, it's SMG here. Welcome back. We're doing another late night reaction or something like that. So we're gonna be reacting to a video from one of my friends. This has been a request. This is a Barnyard car chase crossover by my friend Riley Welch, the Swagger. So we're gonna watch this right now. This is probably the very first video I saw from him. I'm seeing as a reaction from him. I watch his other videos on my own time, but this is he actually made this for 5 hours, so yeah, give him the love and support. He already has over 2.5 thousand subscribers. 2.5 thousand. So basically 2,500. So he's pretty popular. So guys, we're gonna start this right now. 720p. Let's do this right now. This is basically a crossover between whatever the Barnyard car chase. There's a bit of Ruby, there's a bit of SMG4, and there's a bit of SuperMarioLogan. So it should be a really good crossover. 3, 2, 1, let's go. I see you. Okay, there's best two YouTubers in the world. And there's Ruby. I'm thinking I should watch it. It looks really good. I'm probably gonna watch it on my own time or something, but it looks like a cool anime series. Oh, the cops.
Oh man! Oh man! Man, oh man! You gotta let me out! You gotta let me out! Pull over to the side of the road. No, they're talking to us. Pull over! You gotta pull over! We can't pull over!
I like how it's all lip sync. That's the best part, and that's how it's supposed to be, I guess. So it's perfect.
What we got here is probably some teenagers going out for a joyride in their mom's car. Yeah, we'll shake them up and send them home. Get out, kids. Nothing a little strip search won't cure ya.
Strip search, huh?
Still on. Is that a camera? They're taking cops, Molly! Okay, relax. We can lose them. I mean, it's just a car, right? It's a chopper! It's a chopper!
Well, things got worse. When they get to the mall, the artist and his friends, SMG4 the gang, Ruby and his friends, and SML, Junior, Sheppy and Jeffy, and others are going to be the mall chasing when police are coming.
Alright.
Let's see what happens next.
You may just go chasing. You have to say for yourselves.
I don't know.
Nope.
That bastard!
You know that's the cops still following us. You know.
I don't know the words to this song. You're a kid now. You're a squid now. You're a kid. You're a squid.
And Junior. Freaking made me go around the mall.
I'll kill you right fucking now. You're so gross. That $500 is not worth it, Jeff. Now you're getting grounded.
Oh! Get me out of here.
everyone keep staring at me like that?
All you have to do, that's later. Guys, I need your help to get from cops away. Any idea?
That's all you innocent bitches!
What do we do? Eyes on us, ugly! Is it working? Unfortunately, yes. Hang on!
Oh, and there's the... I actually need to own one of those, like, giant milk bullets.
Now I'm gonna teach you a lesson.
Oh!
Alright then.
Oh, I'm about to whip somebody.
Buddy's ass.
Oh my god, bro, chill out, it was just a prank.
Yeah, real kind of There's like...
That's nice. Good.
There's like 3 or 4 cop cars, basically. On any ideas?
We are ditching out.
And everybody's screaming. Yup. Be like, okay, we're gonna dip.
That's our future. Right. Stop touching me.
And everybody's gonna run.
nice.
Hey, it's a pretty good fireworks show. Finally, I'm free. I don't want to go to jail.
No, get a run for it. Let's go. Come on. Gray Badger, chopper 219.
There goes everyone.
Okay, hurry up, fellas. They're right over there. Oh, milk me. Okay, here we go. Milk me. Jeez, these guys are big. Whoop. Put it right. We got him.
Yup, just cows. And everybody's just chilling. The boys are chilling. Lucas is looking at hentai.
That is some good
Bob's looking
smelling
at hentai.
animation.
What do you want?
Mario's probably just be like, alright, let's fuck with Luigi, eat some hot dogs.
Mario? How about you
Alright,
eat
Luigi, I'm gonna fuck
Mario's
with you.
hot dog?
That's pretty fun. That's how you do it. Yeah, it's really cool.
Hey, here, guess what?
What?
What if
Let's just see the boys
I
are
go
basically
from a
jumping.
trampoline onto a table? What will happen?
I don't know what would happen. You should try it.
I should.
got 2
Try
minutes
it.
All
left.
right, I'm going.
Alright, and you're done. BAM! I knew it. I saw that
Jimmy?
episode. That was a really good
Are you
episode, by
okay?
the way.
Better than me, specifically. But a lot of students.
Shut up, there's food!
There's too many freaking people. Let's get out of here.
Could you guys believe that? Did you guys see me? Me? I am fearless, baby.
We left this the same place we found it. That was some crazy ride to the mall in the hill. I think Chef Pee-Pee's not here. Because he ran away. Hopefully he goes to jail, right, Jeffy?
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah!
Took the words right out of my mouth.
Took the words out of him. Yep.
I'm alright. Good. He's resting. Too much energy fighting. Hey, don't strain yourself.
天才航海士の
Where's
力が
Maggie?
必
She
要な
missed
ん
the
でしょ
fun. Sorry.
What?
I'm sorry, what the hell? Well, that's like... Oh! That was from Dashi XP. That's probably Maggie or something. Yup! So good. That's it? Alright guys, that's gonna do for the Barnyard car chase by Riley, Welch, Swagger. That was actually really good. I already gave it I would give this like a 8, 9 maybe. That was pretty good. That was really good. Yeah, now I'm gonna have to go edit this, but I'll see you guys in the next video. Please give a like, please subscribe, please turn on those notifications, and I'll see you guys next time. Later guys, thanks for watching.